Okay, today we will draw a wiring of residential building electrification. I am taking a question. What is the question? The position of lamp and fan, or etc., of a small house is shown in figure. Make an estimate of material to require for the wiring of the house with PVC cable and PVC casing. Assume necessary dimension. What they say, dimension are assuming with necessary. Okay, so what is the figure? The figure is that this is the 3 meter length and this is the 2.5 meter length. Okay, and here 1 meter is veranda. Okay, 1 meter is veranda, and this is the main switch, and this is the room switchboard. Okay, this is the room switchboard SB. This is the SB room switchboard, and this is the light. Fan. This is the fan. This is the one light. This is one light, and here also be one light. Okay, you can take these three type of lamp. All are CFL, or these two are CFL, and this is the filament. This is the incandescent lamp or tube light. Okay, any type of lamp you can take. Okay, so we draw the another diagram from this diagram. Okay, this is the approximate figure of this figure, or layout diagram of this figure. In a question they only provide this type of figure, and we can draw this type of approximate figure diagram. Okay, so in the figure diagram I am draw this is the lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3, and one is veranda lamp. That's mean here also veranda lamp. Okay, so this is the 3 meter distance, and approximate main switch is the middle of this wall. Okay, so we can take it half of the 3 meter. That's mean this is the 1.5 meter and this is the 1.5 meter. We'll see that here the main switch, this is the 1.5 meter and this side is 1.5 meter, and this switch also be the middle of this half. Okay, so if we take it here, that's mean this is the half of 3 meter, that's mean 1.5 meter. So here to here 0.75 meter, and here to here 0.75 meter. Okay, we will assume, you can assume anything. Okay, you can assume anything of this drawing. Okay, so this is the main switch, and this is the switchboard, and this is the fan loading. So for this lamp 2 circuit we will draw the wiring diagram from switchboard to fan and fan to light 2. Okay, but for the L1 and L3 the separately wiring we will draw. Here the L2 line and here the L3 line, L3 wiring for L3 lamp. Okay, and this wire is single line diagram. So this is the 2 wire, and this is the 2 wire, and this is the 4 wire for this side, for this purpose and this purpose. Okay, this purpose is 2 wire, and this purpose fan purpose is 2 wire, but one is one is earthing wire for the fan. So total is 4 wire. Okay, this is the main switch and switchboard, this is the veranda. Okay, so the next task is you calculate the total load and length of the cable and what they say in a question. Okay.